Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. Public Transport. Part 2. Practice. 96th lesson. New words. Unlike. It's unlike him to be late. It's unlike her to say things like that. To allow. I'm allowed to walk on foot. You are not allowed to smoke. To allow. Antonym, to forbid. I'm forbidden to walk on foot. You are not forbidden to smoke. Until. Until you finish your day. Until he finishes his journey. Sign. A little, for hire, sign on the front. A big, closed, sign on the door. An illegible, for sale, sign on the house. According. According to him, this restaurant is terrible. According to her, this bus is uncomfortable. Taxi. Taxicabs. Taxis. Cabs. Hackney cabs. Simple dialogue.
Which public transport do you take in London?
I take the famous London taxi or Hackney cabs.
What does this taxi look like?
These large, black, diesel-engined vehicles.
Yeah, I saw it.
These vehicles are a familiar sight in the capital of Great Britain.
How can I find out if a taxi is free?
If the cab is free, you will see a little, for hire, sign in the front.
Thank you. It was so useful, but can I see the city if I will walk on foot?
Of course, you can do it. The best way to see London is on foot, but you need a rest from time to time. Practice. You must show your ticket at the end of the journey. From time to time, David looked at his watch to check the time.
Did the police check your passport?
Yes, my passport was checked by the police.
Can I smoke here?
You are not allowed to smoke in this building.
Did you get this news from Michael?
Yeah.
It's unlike him to say things like that.
Second wave. 38th lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include it in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you soon for another video.